What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video at the Alpha Pack shop. Here we have the 03 Rincon 650 and it is sold. So this Rincon that apparently everybody on my channel or love it, I don't know, it has the most views on my channel, this 03 Rincon build, which it had some bigger tires and rims and stuff on it, but I've done taking those off. I'm not getting rid of it with all that. This was my cousin's bike, and I ended up selling it to my other two cousins on the other side of the family for the deer lease this year. So they're going to be using it over at our hunting camp this year. But it's just got some stock Honda rims and tires on it. I took the winch off. I just had to put some coolant in it. I did rejet it recently with one-sized up jets for the main and the pilot jet, I believe, from stock. It gets more air with the snorkel, apparently. And on this, yeah, since I rejetted it, I took that screen piece out and just ran it wide open, so it's good. It runs great with the new jetting. Starts right up. Whoop. There she goes. Starts right up. So 2-inch lift still on it. Everything's still on it, other than, like I said, I took the rims and tires off of it and rejetted the carb. I did just put a new fuel line on it, fill up the coolant, and added a fuel filter in it for them. And I will go ahead and redo these racks for them. I'm gonna go ahead and paint them with that gallon can of Rhino-Line I have. So that they'll be ready to go for this deer season. See how it's all chipping. Those spray cans, the Rust-Oleum in the rattle can, doesn't work that great as far as putting on thick layers for these racks. They're only good for like getting in corners and whatnot. I wouldn't recommend using it if you're gonna have it in a spot where you throw stuff on your racks all the time, because it will come off. So, yep. Wanted to give y'all a little update on this 03 Rincon. It's going to be going to the hunting lease or staying here. I might house it for them. Who knows? We'll see. So that's what's going on over here at the shop. Rincon is gone. The Polaris Ranger, guys, about to show y'all that. So let me walk outside. All right, now I'm back outside, or I'm outside. Here's the Ranger, guys. So I know it's been a little bit since I posted on this. I just pulled it out of the shop for the first time in a while again. I did have to re-snug up all these bolts for the Garage Products bushings. I don't know why all the bolts came loose from just a little bit of riding. So I snugged those back up. Everything's working on it. Here's my seat covers that I did. The radio's good. Everything's done like I had said in the previous videos of it. But I did add one new little thing, because I was at Harbor Freight yesterday getting a box for all my GoPro stuff, which that's coming up. I'll do a separate video about all that, what's coming to the channel and whatnot. But check this out, guys. I was looking around at Harbor Freight, and what? We got train or electric air horns on here now, guys. I went ahead and threw those on here. They were really cheap at Harbor Freight. They were like 12 bucks or something like that. So I went and I was like, you know what? Let me throw that on there right quick. So I went ahead and did that. So now we got some horns. So when people are at the mud park being stupid and in my way or whatnot, I can honk at them and say, get out of my way. Stop being stupid. So, well, that's an update, or the last little add-on to the Ranger. It's definitely ready to be ridden and tested out real good, and hopefully we'll be doing that soon, given that I did get a new GoPro Hero 8 recently and got my helmet set up, and I just got my new box to put everything in from Harbor Freight, those Apache boxes. I got the 4800 box, and I'm gonna be putting all my camera stuff in that. But yeah, guys, lots to come on the channel coming soon. Hope y'all will hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share this video or the channel. Trying to grow, hit 1,000. So we're trying to get to that 1,000 mark, guys. So if y'all could help me out with that, I'd really appreciate it. And I will check you in the next one. Y'all take it easy.